Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We're going to see more storms scattered across the Mogollon Rim today, but the valley is drying out. A few storms will likely impact some of the higher terrain just to our east, so they'll be worth keeping an eye on, but I really don't think that any of those storms are going to move their way into the valley. And then as we head into the weekend, we're talking hotter temperatures. So as you look at Futurecast first, as we talk about storm chances, again, areas along the Mogollon Rim, possibly approaching some of our northern and Maricopa County foothills here as we go into this afternoon and early evening, but most of the Phoenix metro looking at mostly sunny skies through the afternoon. A drier day today, less than a 10% chance for rain. Tomorrow also looking drier, but then we see high pressure setting up to our north. That's going to allow for more of those storms to possibly move off the rim and into the valley. So our rain chances are going up starting Sunday and continuing through at least the middle of next week. Now, as you look at our air quality forecast, more sunshine today, stagnant air will lead to higher concentrations of ozone. So we are now under an ozone high pollution advisory today. That means if you have respiratory issues, you may want to limit your time outdoors. And if you can, maybe opt for carpooling or taking public transportation, even if you don't have respiratory issues, to try to limit some of those air pollutants if you can. Saturday, Sunday, our ozone concentrations look to drop back into the moderate range, but tomorrow will be worth watching too, as it could potentially be an ozone health watch day. Temperatures today will be a little hotter than they were yesterday, I should say. Today up to 107 in Phoenix, but hotter out at Lake Havasu, topping 110, near 110 in Yuma, 91 for a high in Sedona, and we're talking highs in the upper 70s to low 80s from Flagstaff over to Show Low. As you look at those temperatures across the valley, we'll be above average because that 30-year average is 105. Phoenix and several other valley cities will top out at 110 this afternoon. That 7-day forecast shows you that it's going to get hotter this weekend. By Saturday, Sunday, we hit a high of 108 to 109 degrees. So just shy of that 110 mark, unseasonably warm through the weekend. Those storm chances going up and monsoon moisture increasing as we go into next week. And that's going to drop our temperatures back down closer to average by the middle of next week.